window.
We come up here into our spot this morning and there was a bull elk. We could see his antlers on the top of the hill. And we come up here and he was buried, stuck in this mud hole. A young bull.
Come on, bud.
And we can't leave him like that.
Watch that. Come on, buddy. Whoa. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I get you. Come on. Whoa.
And so we had some paracord and we wrapped it around his antlers, just a loop. It didn't cinch down, it'll just pull right off.
Come on.
And it took everything we had, but we got him out.
Come on. Just come out. Come on.
He's not working with
He
you.
doesn't want it.
Come on.
Oh, he's coming.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on. He's coming. He's coming.
Come on.
Get
Come
that
on,
leg
just a little
up.
bit more, bud.
His back leg's up.
Come on. One more.
Go on.
Ugh.
Take a rest. Take a rest. His back leg is out and has a log under it. I got it good.
Come on, bud. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Ah, lost it.
Come on, bud. Come on. You gotta work with us. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Watch out.
Come on, bud.
He's good. He's good. He's going. He's going. He's going. Run.
There you go, buddy. No, give me that cord.
Oh, careful. Careful.
Yes. He's good, man. He's good.
Our hands are all bruised from that cord. My arm's sore. Took a jab right in the leg from his antler. But he's free. You'll live.